Let me take you back. At the time, I was the command master chief of the USS Ashland, SaseboJapan. We were forward deployed. Our job at this time was we were coming out of the shipyard. We had been tied up next to a berthing barge. A berthing barge is where the sailors sleep because the ship will not have hotel services. There will not be flushing water for the commodes. There will not be drinking water for the water fountains. There will not be hot water to run for the showers on the ship. The ship is essentially shut down for repairs. We're working on this ship all day, every day to make the ship better. Us, the contractors, the Japanese ship repair force, all of us are working together